This is the OwnScalp 613 Blonde Knotless Box Braided Wig from Luvme Hair, and I have to say, even before it's on, the first impressions is already doing something. Let's get into it. Okay, so before we even get to the wig itself, look at everything that came in this box. You get an air freshener, lace skin tape, HD wig caps, an adjustable elastic band, a box label card, a custom hair clip, and a mesh storage bag. Luvme always packages their units thoughtfully, and this one is no exception. So this is the OwnScalp 613 Blonde Knotless Box Braid Wig from Luvme Hair. And I want to walk you through what you're actually looking at before I put it on, because there's a lot happening here that deserves a closer look. First, the color. This is a true 613, a pure platinum blonde, and the tone is beautifully consistent from root to tip. No brassiness and no patchiness. It's clean, bright, and luminous in person. The kind of blonde that photographs well in every light. The braids are knotless, which means no visible knot at the base of each braid, a lighter feel on the scalp, and a much more natural finish overall. They're braided all the way to the ends, which gives the style a really clean, polished look that holds up from every angle. Now, the standout feature is the OwnScalp technology. What you're seeing between the braids isn't standard lace. It's a full HD lace cap engineered to replicate the look of an actual scalp, texture and all. This is why the parts look so convincing. It's not just flat lace sitting underneath. It's designed to completely disappear. This wig is 26 inches, 180% density, and comes on a medium cap at 22.5 inches with a drawstring for a customized fit. I'm using lace tint spray and lace adhesive spray for this install. One thing I really appreciate about this cap construction are the drawstring wigs at the sides. They really let you cinch in the wig to your head before you even think about adhesive, which gives you a much more controlled and precise install. You're not wrestling with the wig while trying to lay the lace. The fit is already handled before you even pick up a product. I'm applying the lace tint first to blend the lace seamlessly into my skin tone. With HD lace specifically, color matching is important because the lace is so thin and transparent that any mismatch between the lace and your skin is going to be visible. The good news is that HD lace takes tint really well and blends quickly without a lot of effort. Once the tint is set, I'm going in with the adhesive spray along the hairline. I like adhesive spray for braided wigs in particular because it gives you a secure hold without the rigidity of glue, which means the hairline still moves and sits naturally rather than looking stiff or painted on. You're pressing the lace down in sections, working from the center out towards the edges, smoothing as you go. And because this is full HD lace, it's thinner and more delicate than standard lace, which means it responds way more beautifully to both products and melts down faster than you'd expect. You don't need a heavy hand here. A light, even application is all it takes to get a clean finish. And this is the immediate result. Fresh out of the install with no additional styling yet, and the hairline is already sitting beautifully. The lace isn't visible, and the scalp peeking through the parts reads as completely real. That's the OwnScalp construction doing exactly what it promises. It's not just about the lace laying flat, it's about the texture between the braids looking like skin rather than a base material. This unit is honestly so versatile, and I want to show you why. A high ponytail, half up, half down, a clean side part, fully down and flowing. All of it works and all of it looks natural. Starting with the ponytail, look at how clean that is. The scalp base shows through at the crown and it doesn't look like a flat cap underneath. It looks like skin. This is the kind of detail that makes people do a double take when they find out it's a wig. Half up, half down gives you that fullness from the 26 inches while still framing the face in a way that feels a little more put together. It's giving soft glam without trying too hard. And it's genuinely one of my favorite ways to wear a unit this length. And because the lace runs the entire perimeter, you can part this anywhere. Side part, middle part, it doesn't matter. The base just disappears into the skin no matter where you choose to part it. Worn down, you can really see the quality up close. The braids are consistent from root to tip. No thinning, no unraveling, just clean, even movement from every angle. It looks like it was freshly done at a salon yesterday. The reason all of this works comes down to two things. The full HD lace cap, which is what lets you part and style this in any direction without ever showing a hard edge or obvious line. And the knotless construction, which keeps everything lightweight, so pulling it up into a ponytail or a bun doesn't create bulk or tension at the crown. This wig isn't limited to one look. It was built to move with you however you decide to wear it that day. Now, I want to bring you in close for a second because this is the part that actually matters most with a braided wig, the hairline and the parting. What you are seeing here is the full HD lace at the hairline, virtually invisible against the skin, and the OwnScalp base between the braids, which is replicating the look of a real scalp. The knots are invisible, the part is clean. This is the detail that separates a convincing braided wig from one that reads as a wig immediately. Now, the link to this exact unit is in the description box below, along with my coupon code to save on your order. If you've been considering a braided wig and wanted to see how it actually looks installed and styled before committing, I hope this helped. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more honest, detailed wig reviews like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.